Hi, it's me. I'm Leah. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, we are cooking chocolate panna cotta. It's an Italian dessert that is served mainly on summer. It's chilled on the fridge and it's delicious. So if you come with me, I'll show you how to make it. The first thing we are going to do is melt the chocolate. To do so, we'll steam it with some water. Then, we'll chop the chocolate on 2 ounces. And then, we'll put it on the pot so we can steam it. Place it on top of the hot water and keep an eye on it until it's melted. Once it's melted, remove from the heat. Panna cotta means literally cooked cream. There are many variants to this dessert. They do it with plain cream, chocolate, coffee, or even mango. So, as you can see, the possibilities are endless. If you're interested in trying any other flavors, let me know and I can do that for you. On a different pan, incorporate 600 milliliters of cream. I recommend to use whipping cream, and if you have heavy whipping cream, even better. And then 100 milliliters of milk. You can also add 25 to 30 milliliters of any orange liqueur you have. Then heat it at medium heat, making sure it doesn't boil. Once it's heated, add the melted chocolate and stir until it's well incorporated. Once the chocolate is well incorporated, add 80 grams of sugar. Whisk to combine, making sure it doesn't boil. Then you can add the jello. I'm using powdered jello, but you can also use layers of jello. Once you have made sure there aren't any lumps, you can transfer it to the serving dishes that you will be using. Then let it sit on the fridge for at least 4 hours, but ideally you will be leaving it overnight. So here you have it. This is how you make an Italian chocolate panna cotta. As always, the exact ingredients and measurements will be linked in the description down below and also in my blog. I'd love if you subscribed so you don't miss any of the videos. And also, if you like or leave a comment on what you want to see. I hope to see you next time, and remember, put some Mediterranean flavor in your lives.